To add an EBT card to Google Pay, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Google Pay and that you have the latest version of the Google Pay app installed. Next, open the Google Pay app and tap the plus sign to add a new payment method. Select the option to add a card and choose the type of card you want to add. In this case, an EBT card. You will then be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter this information carefully, making sure to avoid any typos or errors. You may also be asked to provide additional information, such as your name and address, to verify your identity. Once you have entered your card details, you will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions of using Google Pay with your EBT card. Take a moment to review these terms and conditions carefully, making sure you understand how your card information will be used and protected. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, you will be asked to verify your card. This may involve receiving a verification code via email or text message, which you will need to enter into the Google Pay app to complete the verification process. With your EBT card added to Google Pay, you can now use it to make purchases at participating retailers, both online and in-store. To make a purchase, simply open the Google Pay app, select your EBT card as the payment method, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It is worth noting that not all EBT cards are compatible with Google Pay, so you may want to check with your card issuer to confirm that your card can be used with the service. Additionally, you should always keep your device and Google Pay app up to date to ensure the security of your card information. By following these steps, you can easily add your EBT card to Google Pay and start making convenient and secure transactions. Remember to always keep your card information and device secure to protect your personal and financial information.